Beppu is a city located on the southwestern island of Kyushu, and it is known for being the largest spa resort in Japan, with over 2,800 natural hot springs, presenting a variety of experiences such as sand baths, steam baths, mud baths, and therapeutic hot springs. Kannawa Mushiyu, or Kannawa Steam Bath, is one of the oldest hot spring facilities in town and offers an authentic and unique bathing experience.
1276年ですね。至る所でですね、湯気が噴き出してた状態を、温泉場として一辺上人さんという方が、今で言ったら開発をしていただいた。この辺り歩いて50メーターぐらいの中に10カ所ぐらい温泉があります。ここ神奈無臭はですね、蒸し風呂として入れるお風呂になっています。
The chamber has a low ceiling, and the visitors have 8 minutes to enjoy the steam bath while lying on the floor. The floor is covered with Sekisho, a Japanese sweet flag, a grass-like herb that is native to the area.
The steam is soft, and the herb is like, it smells very potent and strongly, but smells beautiful. The lighting is very calming, it's relaxing, the stones around you, and just like very authentic and natural. With the finished sauna, the heat is so strong, but with this Mushiyu, you get almost energized because the steam is soft once you get out. Like you're already refreshed.
昔はですね、お湯が張られてるお風呂っていうのはもう稀に山あいの中でちょうどくぼ地みたいなところにお湯が溜まってるとかね。だから岩場から湯気が出てるとかいうところを利用してですね、お風呂を楽しんでたと。
At Enma, just a 2-minute walk from Kannawa Mushiyu, visitors can enjoy fresh local seafood and vegetables steamed in the hot spring.
Wow, the flavor is so strong, it's so good. Wow.
The remarkable power of hot springs have shaped Beppu's enduring history and vibrant culture, offering an unforgettable sensory experience.